स्टूडेंट, कल हमने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक चैप्टर में गॉस थ्योरम का थर्ड एप्लीकेशन देखा। उसके बाद हमने कुछ न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करके दिए। आज हम उसके आगे का पॉइंट जो है टेक्स्ट बुक में वो है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ये देखने वाले हैं। इसमें का ये पॉइंट हमने 11th में कवर अप किया है ना। इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल मीन्स व्हाट? When we are expressing electric field in terms of scalar quantity, that means we are talking about the electric potential. Now we know that let us consider one charge. Suppose plus Q is the charge situated at point O. Now as per the concept of electric field, we know that this one is the specific region around this charge in which another identical charge experiences a force of repulsion or force of attraction. Now electric potential means what? The amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from infinity. Distance कितना है? Infinity. The amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in an electric field against the direction of electric intensity. ये एरो के इंडिकेट करता है डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी. वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंगिंग यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू अ गिवन पॉइंट इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अगेंस्ट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी. दैट इज नथिंग बट द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट दिस पॉइंट ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज. This is the general concept about the electric potential. Then next we will see gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. इसमें क्या होता है? Gravitational potential energy of a system in which there is one earth and another one is the any body of mass m. Now the gravitational potential energy of a system of the earth and a body of mass m is given by equation u is equal to minus g capital M divided by r small m. Here g constant of gravitation, m mass of the earth, small m mass of a body which is placed at distance r from the center of the earth. That means gravitational potential energy of a system of the earth and a body of mass m which is placed at distance r from the center of the earth is given by equation u is equal to minus gm divided by r into small m. Now in another form what we can write? Phi e. Here r small. Now here phi e, that means potential, gravitational potential of the earth is given by equation minus gm divided by r. इसका क्या मीनिंग होता है? माइनस gm divided by r is nothing but the gravitational potential of the earth at a distance r from the center of the earth. What is this? Gravitational potential at a distance r from the center of the earth. Now from this we can also conclude that gravitational potential, it depends upon the mass of the earth and it depends upon a distance at which that body is placed. It doesn't depends upon the mass of that body. क्या कंक्लूजन निकल रहा है यहाँ पे? अगर अर्थ के सेंटर से अगर r इतने डिस्टेंस पे हमने दूसरी बॉडी प्लेस की, उसका मास कितना है? m. देन ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एट अ डिस्टेंस r फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मास ऑफ द अर्थ. It depends on the location of that body from the center of the earth. It doesn't depends upon the mass of that body. It means that gravitational potential at a distance r from the center of the earth is same for all bodies. It doesn't depend upon the mass of the body. It is total about the gravitational potential. Now next point. Potential energy. Now what is by energy? The amount of work required to do the work. The ability of work to do the work is known as energy. Now energy are in the different forms. One is kinetic energy, second one is potential energy like this. These are the basic forms of energy. The capacity to do work is known as energy. Now kinetic energy means what? The energy acquired by an object because of its motion is known as its kinetic energy. General formula half m into v square. M is mass of that object, v is the velocity with which that object is moving, then half m into v square is nothing but the energy acquired by that object because of its motion, that is nothing but half m into v square. Now potential energy, it is the stored energy of a system. Potential energy, it is the energy of an object because of its position is known as its potential. That means potential energy, it is the stored energy of a system. It depends upon the position of the constituents of the system. वो system में कौन कौन से constituents है, उसकी क्या position है, as per the position that energy gets stored in that system, that is known as potential energy. Then electrostatic potential energy. Second point, electrostatic potential energy. इसमें क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में हमने क्या देखा है? It is a branch of physics which deals with the study of static electric charges. Electric charges कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? दो टाइप्स के, positive electric charge and negative electric charge. Now we know the properties about these. There is always repulsion between like charges and there is always attraction between unlike charges. Now suppose here, let us consider point 1. Suppose plus q is the charge which is deposited at point O. Now take another charge q. That charge may be positive, that charge may be negative. Now what will happen? If this charge is positive, suppose q0 is the charge. Now if we have to bring this charge towards this charge plus, what will happen? This one is positive charge, this one is also positive charge, that means there will be repulsion between these charges. This charge, it will try to repel this charge. And if we have to move this charge toward this charge, that means we have to do some work, and that work is done against the direction of electrostatic force of attraction, electrostatic force of repulsion. That means this charge, it repels this charge, but against that force we are trying to bring that charge toward this charge. That means we are doing work against the direction of electrostatic force of repulsion. It means that energy, that means what we are doing work, that work gets stored in the form of potential energy in that system. इस सिस्टम में कितने चार्ज है? दो चार्ज है. ये प्रीवियस चार्ज है, ये अनदर चार्ज है that we are trying to bring. ये चार्ज यहाँ लाने के लिए है, we are doing some work, and that work gets stored in that system in the form of potential energy, that means electrostatic potential energy. That means here we can write du is the change in potential or increase in the potential energy of the system when that charge is displaced through displacement dr against the direction of electrostatic force. Then we can write minus Fe bar into dr bar. dr क्या है? It is the displacement through which that charge is displaced. Here Fe, it is the electrostatic force, and since work is done against the electrostatic force, that's why we are writing du is equal to minus Fe bar dot dr bar. It is about the increase in potential energy of the system when that charge is brought against the direction of repulsive force of against the direction of electrostatic force of repulsion. Then we'll see the next point. Now next point is expression for electrostatic potential energy. Now for that, here we are considering a system point O. At point O plus Q is the charge deposited. Consider one point P. That point P, it lies at distance R2 from the point O. Then take one more point A. It lies or it is situated at distance R1 from the point O. Now here direction of electric intensity Fe is the electrostatic force. Here we can write in this way also. Okay. Then take one more point B. This distance dr. System of two charges plus Q and plus Q0. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या किया है, एक चार्ज लिया, that charge is situated or that charge is placed at point O. Plus Q is charge placed at point O. Then we know that that charge, it will produce some electric field around itself. Now let's consider another point P. That point P, it lies at a distance R2 from the point O. Point P distance R2 इतने डिस्टेंस पे है पॉइंट O से. देन प्रोसीड किया वो लाइन आगे, उसी लाइन पे हमने और एक पॉइंट लिया, पॉइंट A. दैट पॉइंट A, it is situated at a distance R1 from the point O. नाउ इस पॉइंट पे हमने कौन सा चार्ज लिया, प्लस Q0. दैट वन इज द टेस्ट चार्ज. हियर E bar is the direction of electric intensity. Now we are trying to obtain the equation for electrostatic potential energy. Now here, if this charge plus Q0, if it is try to shift toward the point B, हमें क्या करना है, प्लस Q0 ये चार्ज है, ये चार्ज डिस्प्लेस करने कहाँ पे, पॉइंट B की तरफ. कितने डिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे, dr. If that test charge plus Q0 is displaced through distance dr towards the point B against the direction of electric intensity, then what will happen? We have to do some work, because we are doing work against the direction of electric intensity, and that work gets stored in this system in the form of potential energy. That means increase in the potential energy of the system takes place. ये सिस्टम है, जिस सिस्टम में दो चार्ज है, एक चार्ज पॉजिटिव है, दूसरा चार्ज भी पॉजिटिव है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू bring that discharge through distance dr. That means we are doing some work against direction of electrostatic force of repulsion. That means increase. Therefore we can write increase in potential energy of the system due to shifting of charge plus Q0 through distance dr from point A to point B. What we can write? Increase in potential energy du is equal to minus F into dr. In magnitude form, increase in potential energy of the system is given by equation du is equal to minus f into dr. Give it equation number 1. Now we know that F is the electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion between these two charges. Since these two charges are positive charges, there is always repulsion between them, and then according to the Coulomb's law in electrostatics, हमने वो law 11th में पढ़ा है. As per that law, what we can write? Since F is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 q, then q0 divided by r. Is it right? No, it's r square. By the concept of Coulomb's law in electricity, if plus q and plus q0, these are the two charges, they are separated by some specific distance, then we can say that the force of repulsion between these two charges is given by equation 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 r square. Then if we use this here, then we can write du is equal to minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 here r square into dr. Is it right? Let U is the total increase in potential energy of the system. अब क्या करना है? We are trying to displace that charge plus q0 from point A to point B. That means distance varies from r1 to r2. लार्ज डिस्टेंस कितना है r1, स्मॉल डिस्टेंस कितना है r2. पॉइंट A से पॉइंट P तक लाने का है. दैट मीन्स वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एट पॉइंट P ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज. Therefore we can say that if you use the total increase in potential energy of the system in shifting that charge plus q0 from point A to point P, directly we can write U is equal to integration of du, that means integration of minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 divided by r square into dr. That means U is equal to, here we can take negative sign, 4 pi epsilon 0 then q0 integration of 1 by r square with respect to dr. 4 constant, pi constant, epsilon 0 constant, charge place at point O constant, q0 which we are trying to bring that charge, that is also constant. That means वेरिएबल कौन सा है? डिस्टेंस वैरी हो रहा है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? r1 to r2. डिस्टेंस r1 से कहाँ तक ला रहे हैं? r2. That means we have to integrate this with respect to dr. Now U is equal to minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 q0. इसका इंटीग्रेशन कितना होगा? If we use the concept of integration, we can write integration of this. See this, integration of x with respect to dx, x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is x square divided by 2. Now integration of here r 1 by r2 means r to the power minus 2. That means integration of r to the power minus 2 with respect to dr. That means r to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. That means r to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. That means minus 1 by r. देखो क्या हो रहा है. बेसिक फॉर्मूला क्या है इंटीग्रेशन का? अगर हम x का इंटीग्रेशन ले रहे हैं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू dx, दैट मींस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू dx इज इक्वल टू, ये क्या करना है? इसका पावर कितना है? 1. पावर में 1 ऐड करने का, 1 plus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 plus 1. ये जो है यही टर्म यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में रहेगी. दैट मींस x to the power 1 plus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 plus 1. दैट मींस x to the power 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 1 by r square है. अगर r square न्यूमरेटर में लिया, शिफ्ट किया तो वो कितना होगा r टू द पावर माइनस 2। अब यही फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे, माइनस 2 प्लस 1 दैट मीन्स r टू द पावर माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 1 दैट मीन्स माइनस ये r टू द पावर माइनस 1 है, ये शिफ्ट किया नीचे तो क्या होगा 1 बाय r टू द पावर 1 दैट मीन्स 1 बाय r, ये माइनस है दैट मीन्स इसका इंटीग्रेशन कितना होगा माइनस 1 बाय r। इज राइट। नाउ माइनस माइनस बिकम्स प्लस, ये लिमिट है r here r, that means if we solve this bracket minus minus become plus, that means 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 cube q 0 1 by, take first r is equal to r2 minus 1 by r1. This is nothing but the equation for electrostatic potential energy when we are shifting this discharge from point A to point B, that is from distance r1 to distance r2. Okay, thank you.